Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you Windows 10 free video editor. If you will go over here and search for video editor, let's see, you can see over here video editor. Open that. This how some interface look like. I will remove this. Yes, so this how it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to use this for some basics tools. So as you can see over here, new video project, click on over here and you can search. It will appear this kind of screen. You can see over here, name your video. I will just type my name over here and click OK. So as you can see, the interface looks something like this. You can add a video from here. So the videos over here, you can drag and drop on these timelines. So the video is of Tom and Jerry the cartoon. You can see I will start from this. Add a title over here, add a text. You can see the text option over here. For example, let's only type for this tutorial YouTube, and you can see over here play. You can see the option where you want to put in between or up, or you can change the text right over here also. You can see some transactions over here. Let's click done and you can play. You can select over here in the last if you want, or from the starting, or as we are having more option, you can split the video. It's not a kind of like professor video editor, but somehow it works for the small things. Over here the split option, and over here text, more 3D effect, filter. You can see over here you can change the color. Over here you can see the 3D effect what we got over here. Alright, so after that text, motion, you can see over here you can just move this path right around wherever you want. Filter, you can manage the speed. You can see over here, you can see the option, remove the bars, and over here you can rotate the clip. If you want, you can delete. You can rewrite, and you can just manage the options. You can add a song. I will not play it because of some YouTube copyright issue, and I will click done. The song will appear in your video. And guys, it's not so many things over here. So guys, I will leave. You can check by your own self. Some settings also right over here. So guys, it's nice video editor for the beginners, but it's not professional. Let me make it clear with you. So guys, that's all in this video. If this video was helpful, leave a like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.